Hey YouTube fam, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're gonna do with some buttered garlic shrimp, all right, pan seared. And I got 20 large shrimps right here, but let me break down these seasonings for you real quick. I got some Weber's roasted garlic and herb seasoning, some Weber's honey garlic seasoning, and I also have some of this here chili pepper and parsley with garlic. I got that from Ross. Ross is the boss, but this that love butter. I want to show you guys how to make this here love butter. Just say, show me the love butter, and I'll create a video showing you exactly how I made this here love butter. Once you try this love butter, you trust and believe me, you will never be the same. But the first thing I want to do is just take some olive oil and rub these shrimps with that olive oil, and then I want to go ahead and season these babies up with that seasoning that you just seen. But let me stop talking right now and just get into this here video. But say, show me the love butter, and I'll create one for you. Check it out, y'all. Don't go nowhere. Okay, YouTube family, now it's time to get down to business. We're about to do this here thing. So I got some olive oil going into this here non-stick skillet. I got my stove set at medium-high heat. So I'm going to lace this skillet up with these shrimp, and I just want to cook them at least around about 2 minutes per side. After that, we're going to make this magic happen, y'all. So stay tuned, and please, whatever you do, don't go nowhere. If you want me to show you how I made this love butter, comment in the comment section saying, show me the love butter. I'm telling you, it's packed with flavor, y'all. Just say, show me the love butter, and I got you.